try
Aerosol
this.
manufacturers don't want you to know this. Help your home smell great, free of flies or mosquitoes, for very little money, and not only will it look great, but you'll save a lot of money. To do this, you will need a lemon. It can be any that you have at home. The first thing you should do is cut the lemon in half in the way I teach you. It will look the way I'm showing it. Now we are going to use one of the lemon halves, and with the help of a knife, we are going to open a small hole in the middle of the lemon. Then, with your finger, you will make a slightly larger hole, right in that part, because that is where we are going to place a piece of the candle. Now I'm going to use a candle. This one I had left over here at home. It can be any type. I'm going to cut a piece to fit inside the hole we made in the lemon. Once we have placed the candle, the next thing to do is to place the cloves in the lemon. We're going to put them around the lemon until it's well covered, and immediately you start to smell wonderful. It's amazing. Don't forget to tell me which city or country you're watching from, so I can send you a big hug in the next video. In the same way, we also do it with the other half of the lemon. This will help to multiply the smell of lemon, thus scaring away flies and mosquitoes, and at the same time leaving a wonderful smell around the house. It should be the way I show it in the video. It's very simple to do this. Pay attention, because now comes the interesting part. As you can see, these sticks have a point on one side and not the other, so we put the part that doesn't have a point on the base so that it sticks well. For toothpicks is more than enough. Watch until the end to see the result of this trick, and for suggestions for using this scented candle. Now that the toothpicks are in place, we take the other half of the lemon and place it on top as shown. A hug to Leonardo from Italy, and Anna from Argentina. Thanks for watching our tricks. It remains only to light the candle. With this you will drive away flies and mosquitoes here, and in addition to leaving a wonderful smell, it will replace scented candles and scented aerosols. You can place it in the window of your house, in a corner, on top of furniture, and even use it to compose the scene of a night of love. The best part about this is that you can make it cheaply and quickly with ingredients you have at home. I'm sure you'll do this all the time, and you'll thank me later. It is secure and will not fall off easily. Thanks for watching this far. Until next time.